Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for watching this entire show and everything about how to make your own custom Legos. I hope you really enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a review for this awesome class. Now in the link in the next one, you're gonna see where you can go about and join the whole entire content and all of it on YouTube itself. So join me on YouTube where you can see a lot of extra content, a lot of additional bonuses, including set reviews and everything else. So see you on the next level, which is the Brickman show. I invite you, and I'm sure and I can't wait to show you a lot more cool stuff in the channel itself. So see you there and bye bye. And do not forget to subscribe to the Brickman show. It is free. And see you in the inside, which is the Brickman show. Bye bye.